అండ్ సక్సెస్ ఎలా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు?
It's always amazing. You know, a film like Nawab, which has got such a big cast,
Mm.
you know, like a very, very inspiring cast, and a cast that I myself used to sit on set when I was not shooting and just watch them because they're so amazing. And of course, everybody knows that I'm like a big, big Manisa fan. And it's always been my dream to work with him. So
And second time-
after Chelia, to work with him on this again was really amazing. And I just wanted to be a part of this film because somewhere I knew that it would be one of those timeless epic films. And usually Manisa's films are like that.
రైట్.
And the fact that it's successful makes it even better, because quite often it's a lot of mixed response, but I always feel that mixed response is also great because
At least
kind of
response.
cinema lasts longer. But
Right.
this is like completely everybody has loved it, so it's really nice. And everybody has loved everybody
రైట్.
and the film and everything about it. So
అండ్ మేము మీ క్యారెక్టర్ని కూడా చాలా ఇష్టపడ్డాం.
I
know
know.
లిటిల్ అంటే నాకు ఇప్పటివరకు అదితి ఇంతకుముందు సినిమాల్లో వేరు దీంట్లో వేరులా అనిపించారు. లిటిల్ డిఫరెంట్ లైక్ బిఫోర్ ఇంతకుముందు మీరు చేసిన ప్రీవియస్ ఫిలిమ్స్ కంటే కూడా చూస్తే
Yeah.
సో
Very different.
యా లైక్ ఆ ఇంటిమసీ సీన్స్ అండ్ యునో విత్ యూ అండ్ అరవింద్ స్వామి మధ్యలో ఉండేవన్నీ కూడా చాలా. అండ్ హౌ డిఫికల్ట్ లైక్ మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది అది చేసేటప్పుడు?
It's always difficult to see, any role is difficult because ultimately you're not playing yourself, you're playing another person.
Right.
And those experiences and what that person goes through and their situation is different from yours. But I feel like with a good director, they guide you in a way that it feels real. Between action and cut, that moment feels real.
రైట్.
And a good director does that. So I feel like Manisa is really a blessing for actors because he can make you do anything. And I remember when he called me for this film also, I actually didn't expect to get called for this film
ఓకే.
because it was just so different from anything that I've done before. This world is different, the part was different.
రైట్.
And when I got a call, I was really happy but also a bit surprised. And Manisa said, in fact, it's going to be a challenge for both of us, but let's do it.
ఓకే. ఓ
And the moment Manisa says that if he believes I can do something, I don't have a second of doubt. So, and honestly, with any part, director and your co-actor, it really makes a difference because the energy they give you, it makes your performance better. It makes you, you know, it makes you feel
రైట్.
okay, this
దట్
is
యాక్షన్ రియాక్షన్
yeah,
డెఫినెట్లీ.
yeah. And Arun Swami, I always say this, but like I think I'm an actor because of Bombay. Because I watched Bombay as a kid and I just wanted to be Manisha Koirala and I wanted to be a Mani Ratnam heroine. And,
ఓ
so to be with Arun Swami in this film,
Say.
to be opposite him is like so surreal, and he's so amazing. He's fun and he's a real gentleman and he's
Right.
very like smart. He talks about very interesting things. And he's just so cool. So it was, and they all know each other really well. No, Santosh sir, Arvind Swami,
Mani
Mani
sir.
they go back a long way.
Right.
So the atmosphere on the set was really amazing as well.
రైట్.